Hello everyone. Now we are going to start our exercise 5B. Question number 1 is given by the number of ways in which 7 girls form a ring. See, here it is not a linear arrangement, it is circular arrangement. And what is formula of circular arrangement? It is n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial. And n minus 1 factorial, n is 7 girls are given here. 7 minus 1 factorial. 7 minus 1 factorial equal to 6 factorial, and 6 factorial is equals to 720. So our answer is 720. Option C is correct option. Question number 2. The number of ways in which 7 boys sit in a round table. It is also a circular permutation, so that two particular boys may sit together. Okay, see, suppose it is a round table. Okay, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 boys sitting around this table. But the question is given that two particular boys may sit together. કોઈ પણ આપણે સાથે બનાવી લઈએ. ચાલો તો આ શું થયું? Two particular boys are sitting together. તો આ બંને સાથે બેસવાના છે. એટલે આ એક ગ્રુપ આપણે કેમ ઇન્ટરનલ એક્સટર્નલ કરતા એ રીતે. Now we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups. What is our formula? 6 minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. Okay. Moreover, these two boys can be interchanged. It can be written as 2 factorial. So it is equals to 6 minus 1 factorial, 5 factorial into 2 factorial is 2. 5 factorial is 120. 120 multiplied by 2 is equals to 240. Okay, ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? n minus 1 ફોર્મ્યુલાનો જ યુઝ કર્યો છે, બટ આ 2 પર્ટિક્યુલર સાથે છે એટલે આપણે શું કર્યું કે multiplied by 2. Question number 3. The 50 different jewels can be set to form a necklace. Then the number of ways. See, when we have to form a necklace, the formula is 1 by 2 n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial. Okay. It is equals to 1 by 2, n is equals to 50 different jewels are given. 50 minus 1 factorial, sorry. It is equals to 1 by 2 into 49 factorial. It can be written as 1 by 2 49 factorial. Okay. So our answer is option B. So જ્યારે પણ different jewels ફોર્મ કરવાના હોય ત્યારની ફોર્મ્યુલા n minus 1 factorial. 1 by 2 n minus 1 factorial. Question number 4 is most important question. 3 ladies and 3 gents can be seated at a round table so that any two and only two of the ladies sit together. The number of ways is. ચાલો તો આપણે એક circular form પહેલા બનાવી નાખીએ. This is a circle. Okay. Any two ladies can be sit together. માની લઈએ પહેલા આપણે 6 seat બનાવી લઈએ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. માની લ્યો કે અહીંયા L1, lady 1, lady 2. But only two ladies can sit together. બે જ ladies સાથે બેસી શકે છે. તો આપણે એકને અહીંયા બેસાડી દઈએ એટલે L3. Okay. તો ફર્સ્ટ આપણે આ રીતે કરીએ કે ભાઈ any two lady can sit together means first we have to select any two lady out of 3. કોઈ પણ બેને સિલેક્ટ કરો. Then by arrange these two ladies by 2 factorial. સમજાણું? પહેલા તો આપણે બેને સાથે બેસાડવા માટે બે સિલેક્ટ કરીએ. ઓકે, ચાલો 3C2 સિલેક્ટ થઈ જાય. બટ આ L1 L2 છે ઇન્ટરનલી ઇન્ટરચેન્જ થાય કે નહીં? ઓકે, યસ, L1 અહીંયા પણ આવી શકે, L2 અહીંયા પણ આવી શકે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ 2 factorial. ઓકે, માની લો કે હવે અહીંયા આપણે G gents 1, 2 and 3 આ મસ્ત આપણે નામ આપ્યા છે. બટ આ બંને પોઝિશન ઉપર કોણ આવશે? આ બે પોઝિશન ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે તો જ અહીંયા L3 બેસી શકે. તો કે ભાઈ we have to select any two giants out of 3 in 3C2 ways. ઓકે, લાઈક આપણે આ બેને પસંદ કર્યા. ચાલો સમજો ખાસ આ ક્વેશ્ચન. Two giants can be selected out of 3. Now arrange these two giants, 2 factorial. Okay, and now remaining these two persons L3 and G2 can be arranged in also 2 factorial ways. Okay, so the total arrangement is yes, total arrangement is 3 into 2 factorial 2 into 3C2 3 into 2 factorial 2 into 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. Our answer is 72. ચલો આ ક્વેશ્ચન તમને થોડો થિયોરિટિકલી પણ કરાવી દઉં, કારણ કે ઘણાને એવો ડાઉટ થશે કે સર આ 2 ફેક્ટોરિયલ તમે લાસ્ટમાં શા માટે લખ્યા છે. ચલો તો આપણે બધી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરીને લખીએ કે ભાઈ ફર્સ્ટ any two ladies can be selected in 3C2 ways and it can be arranged in 2P2 ways, means 2 factorial ways. Means 3C2 equal to 3 into 2 factorial 2. There are total 6 ways. Okay. Now giants. Okay. Giants can be, first of all, we have for these two seats, we have to select two giants in 3C2 ways and also arrange these two giants in 2 factorial ways. Again it is 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Okay, and now for how many? See, L1 L2 already arranged here, G1 G3 already arranged here. Now what left? L3 and G2. So L3 and G2 for remaining one lady and and one giants. So one lady can be arranged in one way, one giant can be arranged in one way, and both the persons can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Okay, so it is equals to 2. So total arrangement equal to 6 into 6 into 2. It is equals to 36 into 2. It is nothing but 72. આ બંને રીતે આની calculation possible છે. Now question number 5. The number of ways in which the letters of the word dogmatic can be arranged. Okay, see, there is nothing repetition in the letters. There are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 letters, and the 8 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 8 factorial ways. 8 factorial equal to what? 8 into 7 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, it is equals to 40320. So our answer is option B. Okay, now question number 6. The number of arrangement of 10 different things, means n equal to 10, taken 4 at a time in which one particular thing is always occur. ચાલો તો આના માટે એક ફોર્મ્યુલા પણ મેં લખાવેલી છે. તો ફોર્મ્યુલા આ રીતે આવે, r into n minus 1p r minus 1. Okay, so r is equals to 4 things. Okay, 4 into n minus 1 equal to 9 p r minus 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. It is equals to 4 into 9p3, 9 into 8 into 7. Okay, so our answer is 4 into 9 into 4 into 9 into 8 into 7 is equals to 2016. Okay, 2016. ચાલો તો our answer is option B. But આપણે practically solve કરીએ કે ભાઈ there are total 10 different things, means n equal to 10, and taken 4 at a time, means r is equals to 4. But one particular thing is always occur. એક વસ્તુ તો always આવવી જ જોઈએ. ચાલો તો આપણે 4 માંથી એકને કોઈને સિલેક્ટ કરી લઈએ એટલે 4c1 થશે. Okay, now how many things we have to select? Okay, we have total 9 things left. એટલે અહીંયા સિલેક્ટ કરી લીધું એટલે કેટલા વધ્યા 9, and we have to select 3 out of 9, and we have to arrange 3 things only. See, we don't have to arrange 4 things because one particular thing is always occur. તો બધામાં આવવાની જ છે એટલે અહીંયા 4 factorial નથી લખવાના but 3 factorial. Okay, so 4c1 is equals to 4, 9c3, 9 into 8 into 7 upon 3 into 2 into 1. 3 factorial is equals to 3 into 2 into 1. Chalo, so 3 to 1, 3 to 1 cancel. So 4 into 9 into 8 into 7. It is nothing but 2016. We already find here 2016. બરાબર છે. Now question number 7 આની જેવો જ છે but એક word અલગ છે. The number of permutation of 10 different things taken 4 at a time in which one particular thing never occur. ચાલો એક વસ્તુને લેવાની જ નથી આપણે. We don't have to select one particular thing. So how many things left? We have 9 things. We have to arrange 4 things out of 9 things. It is NP4, or if we are using formula, the formula is n minus 1 PR when one particular thing is never occur. Okay, so 10 minus 1 equal to 9p r equal to 4, and 9p4 equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, and it is equals to 3024. Okay, but ચાલો આને practically પણ આપણે solve કરીએ કે ભાઈ one particular thing never occur. આ એક વ્યક્તિ તો આવવાનો જ નથી. ચાલો એને આપણે બહાર મૂકી દઈએ, જવા દઈએ. તો હવે કેટલા વધ્યા આપણી પાસે? તો કે 9. We have to select 4 things out of 9 because one particular thing we don't have to select this. Okay, ચાલો like આપણે 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 એમાંથી આ એક વસ્તુને લેવાની જ નથી. તો આપણી પાસે વધ્યા કેટલા? 9. કેટલા પસંદ કરો? 4. then by arrange these 4 factorial. Okay, ડાયરેક્ટ 9p4 પણ લખી શકો છો તમે, બટ હું બંને મેથડથી તમને કરાવું છું, એક ફોર્મ્યુલા અને એક આ કોમ્બિનેશનથી. બરાબર, બધા સમ કોમ્બિનેશનથી પોસિબલ છે. તો 9c4 equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 upon 4 factorial into 4 factorial, because અહીંયા આપણે નીચે 4231 એ રીતે લખીએ એના બદલે 4 factorial directly, and 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 is equals to 3024, and it is given in option C. Option C is correct option. Question number 8. Mr. X and Y enter into a railway compartment having 6 vacant seats. How many vacant seats? 6 vacant seats. The number of ways in which they can occupy the seats. Okay, there are total 6 seats and 2 persons can be arranged in 6p2 ways. 6 into 5, it is equals to 30. Okay, our answer is 30. Yes, 30. Or combination થી કરવો હોય તો કઈ રીતે કરવાનું? First of all, select any 2 seats. Select any 2 seats for 2 persons. Then by arrange 2 persons in 2 seats. Okay, બટ મને તો આ જ ઓપ્શન ઇઝી લાગે છે, કારણ કે આમાં તમારે ઘણી વખત એવું થશે કે પરમ્યુટેશન લગાવવું, કોમ્બિનેશન લગાવવું, કન્ફ્યુઝન ન રહે એટલે. ચલો 6c2 equal to 6 into 5 upon 2 into 1 means 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial cut, it is equals to 30. ચાલો તો હવે મોસ્ટલી આપણે બધા બબે મેથડથી સમ કરીએ છીએ, તમને કમ્ફર્ટેબલ લાગે એ કરવાની હું કહીએ નથી કરવાની જરૂર, બરાબર. તમને આવડવી જોઈએ એટલે આપણે બંને મેથડથી સોલ્વ કરીએ છીએ. Question number 9. The number of number lying between 100 and 1000 can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. First of all, we have digits. Digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Question is asking that number of numbers lying between 100 and 1000. Numbers between 100 and 1000. Okay. That means number should be of 3 digits. Number should be of 3 digit. Number is 3 digited number. Okay. So the very simple question. In first place, we have how many choice? We can put any number out of 1 to 7. So we have 6 or 7 choices. Okay. After putting one digit on first place, how many numbers left for second place? 6. And how many numbers left for 5 place? It is 7 into 6 into 5. It is equals to answer is 210. 210. Okay. Or you can directly select any 3 numbers out of 7. 7p3. 7 into 6 into 5. Okay. Answer is 210. Or you can use combination. First of all, select any 3 numbers out of 7. Then by arrange these 3 numbers in 3 factorial ways. So it is 7 into 6 into 5 upon 3 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial. 3 cut. Answer is 210. But જ્યારે પણ નંબર સિસ્ટમ હોય ત્યારે આવી રીતે સ્પેસીસ બનાવીને કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવાની તો સમ ઇઝી પડશે. બાકી બધી મેથડ આપણે અહીંયા જોઈ લીધી છે કે નંબર્સ હોય ત્યારે કઈ રીતે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવું. Question number 10. The number of number lying between 10 and 1000. ચાલો આ ક્વેશ્ચન છે સરસ. 10 and 1000 can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 4, 0, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 0 and 8, 9 is. Okay. First of all, if we form the numbers between 10 and 100, we will get 2-digit number, because from 11 to 99 is 2-digit number, and from 100 to 999 it is 3-digit number. So first we have to find 2-digit numbers. Okay, 2-digit numbers. So 2-digit numbers આપણે પ્લેસ બનાવવાની નંબર હોય ત્યારે હંમેશા. Okay, from 2, 3, 4, 0, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 0, 8 and 9. See, in order to form 2-digit number, 0 cannot be put on first place. So how many options we have left on first place? There are 5 options. Put down 5 here. Okay. After using any digit, માની લો કે 9 નો use કરો. 0 can be put in second place. How many numbers left for second place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers left. So total arrangement of 2 digit or total 2-digit number is 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is equals to 25. Okay. Now 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. Okay. Prepare 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Again we have 2, 3, 4, 0, 8, 9. Okay. Again 0 cannot be put on first place, or first place cannot be filled by 0. So how many options we have left? Total 5 options, means first place can be filled up by 5 ways. Okay. Now 0 can be put on second place. હવે આપણે 0 ને put કરી શકીએ છીએ. માની લો કે તમે કોઈ પણ નંબરનો યુઝ કરી લીધો, 4 નો યુઝ કર્યો. So how many options left for second place? Again it is 5 options. Okay. After filling second place, માની લો 3 use કર્યું. How many numbers left? Total 4 numbers left. Okay. So it is equals to 5 5s are 25, 4s are 100. So total numbers equals to is equals to 2 digited 25 and 3 digited 100. There are total 125 numbers between 100 and 1000 can be formed using these digits. Our answer is option C. Question number 11. In a group of boys, the number of arrangement of 4 boys is 12 times the number of arrangement of 2 boys. The number of boys in a group. See, arrangement means what? Arrangement means permutation. Okay, we have to apply permutation for both the sides. Number of arrangement of 4 boys. Number of arrangement out of how many boys we don't know. NP4. Can we write NP4? Number of arrangement of 4 boys is 12 times the number of boys of arrangement, number of arrangement of 2 boys, NP2. Okay. Now we can apply two methods, subjective or objective, but objective is very easy. First of all, put n equal to 10. Okay. Option A, try option A. N is equals to 10. So NP4 is equals to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. It is equals to 10, 9, 8, 7. It is equals to 5040. Okay, now 12 NP2. 12 NP2 or right hand side equals to 12 into n is equals to 10p2. 10p2 equal to what? 12 into 10 into 9, and it is equals to 120 multiplied by 9 is equals to 1080. So option A is not possible. Okay, now we are trying option B. Option B, n is equals to 8. Okay, LHS is equals to NP4. NP4 is equals to 8P4, and 8P4 is equals to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 equal to 56 into 30. 1680, and right hand side equal to 12 into NP2. It is 12 into 8P2. So 12 into 8 into 7. Okay. So 12 into 56 is equals to 672. Upon answer possible nathi, 672. Option B is also not possible. Option A not possible. B not possible. Let us try option C. बराबर છે option C. N equals to 6. LHS equals to left hand side equal to NP4. 6P4 and 6P4 equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Okay, 6 5s are 30. 30 multiplied by 4 3s are 12. It is 360. And right hand side is RHS equals to 12 NP2 equals to 12 into 6P2 એટલે 6P2 equal to 12 into 6 into 5. ચાલો same answer આવ્યો 360. So LHS equals to RHS for option C. So option C is correct option. અને આને સોલ્વ કરવું હોય તો તમે સોલ્વ પણ કરી શકો, બટ ઇટ ઇઝ થોડી લેન્થ ઇન્ટીડિયસ મેથડ છે. જો આ રીતે NP4 equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Okay, reducing till 4 numbers equal to 12 and n minus 1. So n minus 1 should be cancelled out. Okay, So n minus 2 into n minus 3 is n square minus 5n plus 6 minus 12. આગળ પણ આવી ગયું છે એક્સરસાઇઝ ફર્સ્ટમાં. So n square minus 5n minus 6 equals to 0. Therefore n minus 6 and n plus 1 are two factors. Compare both with 0, n equal to 6, n equal to minus 1 is not possible. So answer n is equals to 6. But see, options are perfect method for solving this type of sums. Equation correct perfect no બન્યું હોય તો answer ખોટો પણ આવી શકે છે. So you have to try options for equation number 11. Question number 12, the value of. ચાલો આ એક important question છે, important mark કરો. Actually આની એક formula છે કે ભાઈ આ રીતે હોય તો r plus 1p r plus 1 minus 1. બટ ઘણાને ઇશ્યુ થશે કે આ ક્યાંથી આવી ફોર્મ્યુલા, કઈ રીતે પ્રૂવ કરી. તો તમને હું સોલ્વ કરીને સમજાવું. આના માટે એક થિયરીમાં આપણે સમજવું પડશે. હમણાં આપણે સમજીએ આગળ જતા. ચાલો, સિગ્મા r equal to 1 to 10 means value of r is from 1 to 10 r into rpr, okay, equals to we are putting value of r 1 to 10. So r equal to, can I put 1 into 1p1, okay, plus 2 into 2p2. શું કામ આવું કરીએ છીએ? because we can put r equal to from 1 to 10. કોઈ પણ વેલ્યુ પુટ કરી શકીએ તો આપણે બધી વેલ્યુ પુટ કરીએ છીએ. r equal to 3. જો r equal to 3 પછી શું થશે? 3p3 till we can put 10 into 10p10. Is it okay? Okay. Now can I write 1 into 1 factorial? Because 1p1 equal to 1 factorial. Here 2 into 2p2 equal to 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 10 into 10 factorial. Okay. Okay. Now first of all we have to learn one theorem. What is our theorem? If n into n factorial is given, it can be written as n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. Okay. ચલો તો આ રીતે પણ આપણે લખી શકીએ. એક એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈને સમજીએ કે 3 into 3 factorial can be written as 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. ચલો આની વેલ્યુ કાઢવી હોય તો પણ ચેક કરી લઈએ. 6 into 3 factorial is equals to what? 3 2s are 6. Okay, 4 factorial 3 into 3. Okay, 3 not 6. Here 3 is given. 3 into 6. 4 factorial equal to 24. 24 minus 6. 6 3s are 18. 24 minus 6 is also 18. Okay. So we can use n into n factorial equal to n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. One more example. If 5 into 5 factorial is given, we can write 6 factorial minus 5 factorial. Okay. ચાલો તો હવે અહીંયા આપણે એપ્લાય કરીએ છીએ આખો આપણો થિયરમ. 1 into 1 factorial can be written as 1 into 1 factorial can be written as 2 factorial minus 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial is equals to what? 3 factorial minus 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. ચાલો આવું છેક સુધી આપણે લખી નાખીએ કારણ કે નહીંતર સમજવામાં તકલીફ પડશે. 5 factorial minus 4 factorial. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ વેલ્યુ શું આવશે? 6 factorial minus 5 factorial. Next value is 7 factorial minus 6 factorial plus 8 factorial minus 7 factorial plus 9 factorial minus 8 factorial plus 10 factorial minus 9 factorial. And for last number 10 into 10 factorial, what is this? 11 factorial minus 10 factorial. Okay, સમજાણું આખો થિયરમ આપણે લખ્યો. ચાલો, સો એક મિનિટ સી આ બધું કટ થઈ જાય. જો આ પ્લસ થી જોડાયેલા છે એટલે બ્રેકેટ રિમૂવ કરીએ તો બધા પ્લેન નંબર થશે. 2 factorial cut, 3 factorial cut, 4 factorial 5 factorial 6 factorial 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 and 10 factorial should be cancelled out. So what left now? Here 1 factorial is left. બાકી બધા bracket clear થઈ જશે. અહીંયા એક છે 11 factorial. 11 factorial minus 1 factorial. Okay. So can I write 11 factorial equal to 11p11? Yes, 11p11 and pn equal to n factorial minus 1 factorial equal to 1. So our answer is option B. Option B is correct answer. 11p11 minus 1. ચાલો તો ડાયરેક્ટ ફોર્મ્યુલાથી પણ થઈ શકે, બટ તમને સમજણ પડે એટલા માટે આખો આપણે આ સમ એક્સપાન્ડ કર્યો. Question number 13. The total number of 9-digit numbers of different digits. Okay. See, મોસ્ટલી 9p9 કરીને આવે એટલે આન્સર કંઈક આવો લઈ આવે 9 into 9 ફેક્ટોરિયલ કે કંઈક, બરાબર છે. બટ સી ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ડિફરન્ટ ડિજિટ્સ, આપણી પાસે ડિફરન્ટ ડિજિટ્સ કેટલા હોય? Okay, there are total different digits. There are total 10 different digits, respectively 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. તો બધા જ નંબર આ ડિજિટ્સનો યુઝ થઈને બની શકે, બરાબર છે. And we have to form 9-digit number. 9-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, in order to form 9-digit number, we cannot put 0 on first place. So how many numbers left for first place? It is 9. Okay, on second place it is also 9. Then by 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. See 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. અહીંયા હું લખું તો એનાથી કંઈ ફરક પડશે? નહીં પડે. So can I write 9 multiplied by this 9 to 2 is equals to 9 factorial? So our answer is 9 into 9 factorial. Okay, option C is correct option. Question number 14. The number of ways in which 6 men can be arranged in a row so that 3 particular men sit together. Okay. See, we have total 6 men. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 6 places. Okay. Say it is M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 and M6. Question is asking that 6 men can be arranged in a row, એટલે કોઈ issue નથી, so that the particular 3 men sit together. ચાલો કોઈ પણ 3 particular વ્યક્તિ જે છે એ સાથે બેસશે, માની લઈએ કે આ બેસશે સાથે. 3 particular men can sit together. Okay, તો અહીંયા શું આવી ગયું તો કે ભાઈ external arrangement and internal arrangement. Okay, external arrangement. Okay, by let us take 3 men is equals to 1 object. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 objects. 4 objects can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. and internal arrangement of m1 m2 and m3 possible છે ને m3 first place ઉપર આવે second place આ place ઉપર આવે, so it can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So total arrangement is equals to 4 factorial into 3 factorial, but the answer is given in the form 4 factorial is equals to what, 4p4, 3 factorial is equals to what, 3p3. So our answer is option B. Option B is correct option. Question number 15. Five speakers A, B, C, D, E. The number of ways in which A will speak always before B. See, we have 5 speakers A, B, C, D, and E. The condition is given that A will speak always before B. Okay. So again અહીંયા ગ્રુપ બન્યું તો શું થશે, external arrangement and internal arrangement. Okay, external arrangement, we have total 4 objects. It can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, but internal arrangement is possible, not possible, because here the condition is given that A is always speak before B. So internal arrangement is not possible, no scope. Sorry. Therefore, total arrangement equal to 4 factorial. 4 factorial is equals to 24. Our answer is 24. Option A is correct option. Question number 16. There are 10 trains playing between Kolkata and Delhi. The number of ways in which a person can go from Kolkata to Delhi and return by the different train. Okay. See, there are total 10 trains. Okay. Kolkata to Delhi. જે ટ્રેનમાં જશે, કઈ ટ્રેનમાં જશે તો કે he can choose any train out of 10 trains. કોઈ પણ એક ટ્રેનમાં જશે 10 માંથી અને રિટર્ન આવશે દિલ્હી ટુ કલકત્તા is equals to જે ટ્રેનમાં ગયો છે એમાં રિટર્ન આવવાનું નથી, તો કેટલા ઓપ્શન વધે, 9. So total arrangement equal to what, 10 into 9, it is equals to 90. સમજાણું, જે ટ્રેનમાં જશે એમાં રિટર્ન આવવાનું નથી, એટલે લાઈક ફર્સ્ટ ટ્રેન કોઈ પણ લઈ લઈએ આપણે, 1 આ રીતે 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. માની લો કે આ ટ્રેનમાં ગયા ભાઈ, એટલે પહેલા તો એની પાસે 10 ઓપ્શન્સ હતા કલકત્તાથી દિલ્હી, યસ. હવે કેટલા ઓપ્શન વધ્યા, રિટર્ન આમાં આવવાનું નથી, તો there are 9 options. So 10 into 9 is equals to 90. 17 number. The number of ways in which 8 sweets of different size પણ કેવી છે, different, can be distributed among 8 persons of different ages, so that largest sweet always goes to younger, assuming that each one of them gets a sweet. Okay, chalo, तो भाई there are total 8 sweets. And 8 persons. Okay, 8 sweets of different size, and we have total 8 persons. 8 sweet 8 person ને આપવાની છે, but condition is largest sweet always goes to younger one. એટલે મોટામાં મોટી જે સ્વીટ છે એ નાનામાં નાના પર્સન ને આપણે આપવાની છે, એના માટે 1p1 એ તો એક લઈ લીધી, બરાબર છે. બાકી કેટલા વધ્યા, 7 people and 7 sweets can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. So 1p1 equal to 1 into 7 factorial, and 7 factorial equal to what, 5040. So our answer is option B. Option B is correct answer. 18 number. The number of arrangement in which the letter of the word Monday be arranged so the words The forms begin with M but do not end with N. ચાલો આવો ક્વેશ્ચન કંઈક મેં અગાઉ લીધેલો છે. There are total 6 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 letters. Condition is given that word is always start with N. Means first place is confirm. Okay. Now last place. Monday confirm થઈ ગયું એમ કાઢી નાખીએ. ચાલો. Do not end with N. લાસ્ટ પ્લેસ ઉપર N આવવો જોઈએ નહીં. તો કેટલા ઓપ્શન હોય? ત્યાં 4 ઓપ્શન્સ. બરાબર. ઓલવેઝ ફોલો કન્ડિશન્સ ફર્સ્ટ. પહેલા કન્ડિશન ફર્સ્ટ બરાબર છે. આમાં શું આવે? 4 માં ODAY કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ આવી શકે. ઓકે. નાઉ આફ્ટર અરેન્જિંગ લાસ્ટ પ્લેસ હાઉ મેની લેટર્સ વી હેવ લેફ્ટ? એક કોઈ પણ રિમૂવ કરી દઈએ. Y રિમૂવ કરી દઈએ. 1 2 3 4 4 letters can be arranged in 4 3 2 1 ways. Okay, so total arrangement is 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 ways. It is equals to 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 4 times 96. Our answer is 96. Option C is correct option. Question number 19. The total number of ways in which 6 plus sign and 4 minus sign can be arranged in lines such that no two negative signs occur together. Okay, 6 plus sign. So, આપણે 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 આવી રીતે અરેન્જ કરી શકીએ. અને નેગેટિવ સાઇન અહીંયા પણ મૂકી શકીએ, અહીંયા પણ મૂકી શકીએ, અહીંયા મૂકી શકીએ, અહીંયા અહીંયા અને અહીંયા અહીંયા પણ. So that no two negative signs occur together. Okay, so total arrangement equal to, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 places 4 negative sign. Okay, and we have to arrange 4 signs out of these 7 places. So 7P4. But the sign are repeated permutation. Repeat થાય છે ને, લાઈક આવી રીતે આપણે શીખ્યા હતા BOOK બુક હોય તો શું આવે? 4 ફેક્ટોરિયલ અપોન રિપીટેડ 2 ફેક્ટોરિયલ. તો અહીંયા કેટલી સાઇન રિપીટ થાય છે? તો કે 4 સાઇન ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 4 ફેક્ટોરિયલ. ઓકે, નાઉ પ્લસ સાઇન 1 2 3 4 5 6 6P6 divided by 6 factorial because plus sign are also repeated. So 7P4 equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. 6P6 is equals to 6 factorial upon 4 factorial is equals to what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial cancel. 4 4 cancel, 3 2s are 6, 6 cancel. Our answer is 7 into 5 and 7 into 5 is equals to 35. 35 is our answer. Option C is correct option. Question number 20. The number of ways in which the letter of the word mobile be arranged so that consonants always occupy odd places. Okay, consonants means what? A, E, I, O, U called vowels, and remaining letters like M, B, L are called consonants. Okay, in the word mobile there are total 6 letters: 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and we have consonants. There are 3 consonants: M, B, L. And how many vowels are given? O, I and E. Question is asking that consonants always occupy odd places. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many odd places are given? 1 2 and 3. 3 places. And how many consonants we have to arrange? 3 consonants can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Okay, and remaining 3 places can be arranged by 3 vowels in 3 factorial ways also. So 3 factorial is equals to 6 into 6 and 6 into 6 is equals to 36. 36 is correct answer. Option A is correct option. Last question of this exercise. Five persons are sitting in a round table. See, it is a circular permutation, round table. Five persons. One, two, three, four, and five. Round table in such a way, tallest person is always on the right side of shortest person. Okay. See, this is tallest and this is short person. Condition is given that these two persons can be arranged in only one way. Tallest always sit on the right side of shortest person. Okay. So what is our total arrangement? See, let us take it is only one group, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and in circular format we are using n minus 1 factorial, 4 minus 1 factorial. 4 minus 1 factorial is equals to what? It is equals to 3 factorial, and 3 factorial equal to what? It is equals to 6. Our answer is 6. So option A is correct option.